Hey guys, what is going on? I am in my lobby again. So, in this video, I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube on a ripstick. I know it's like pink and blue, but better than nothing. So, I'm going to do snake eye, just like this. So, you start off solved, and then you just go like this. Sorry if you hear noises. That's my brother's, so. Wait. So, I'm going to be doing that on a ripstick. So, yeah. Like, subscribe. So, yeah. Let's get into it. Alright. Ready? Okay. That's lined up. So this is the ripstick. Put it on the ground. Okay. So I'm gonna get the Rubik's Cube right here. Whoa. I'm not really good on one of these, but I've been practicing. So yeah. Whoa. Come on. I'm holding on to like something, I don't know what it's called, but I'm holding on to something. Here's the Rubik's Cube. So, let me just get aligned. Okay, let's go. Done. I did snake eye 3 times. So that's even harder. So I'm pretty good at ripstick. It's basically where you wait. Okay. It's basically where you just like when you're on it, I'm not really on it, but when you're on it, why did I just say when you on it? Doesn't even make sense. Whatever. So when you're on it, you have to wiggle, and then it just goes forward. And this is 2-wheeled, so it's even harder. And when you wiggle it, it spins, and then that makes you go forward. So it's like this, and the more whatever, I don't know my words. Okay, so the more whatever. The more it spins. Never mind. The more it spins, more it does this, the more it goes forward. I'm still thinking of that word. I don't know what it's called. Okay. Never mind. Let's just keep, doing ripstick and stuff. I made the camera really... Nope. This is what I was holding on to. I was like this while I was getting on, but... Okay. Nope. I'm just gonna put it like there. So I'm gonna be on my ripstick right here. See, it's right here. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Okay, now we're just gonna go around in a circle. I'm pretty good at ripstick. So I won't be falling in a while. You guys are probably thinking I'm grabbing stuff when I'm out of camera, but I'm not. This is I'm balanced. I know how to do this. I wouldn't cheat. Sorry if you guys, sorry if you heard, hear stuff in the background. It's just like my brothers. I can be here all day. Okay, this is getting boring. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Well, not really episode, but this little, thing. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.